Listen up, you lot. Today, we're diving into the world of vegetarian cooking, but not just any vegetarian cooking. We're talking about packing in the protein. We're going to smash the myth that vegetarian food is boring and bland. Now, protein is essential, whether you're a meat eater or not. It helps build and repair tissues, keeps you feeling full and energized, and is crucial for a healthy, functioning body. We're going to explore some cracking, high-protein vegetarian recipes that will have your taste buds singing. So, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. First up, we're tackling a dish that's as easy as it is delicious. Quinoa salad with black beans. This is no limp, soggy salad. We're talking bold flavors and textures that will blow your socks off. Quinoa, my friends, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. And don't even get me started on black beans. These beauties are protein powerhouses, full of fiber and antioxidants. We're adding some zest with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, and a diced red onion for a bit of bite. And because we don't do boring in this kitchen, we're tossing in some juicy cherry tomatoes and creamy avocado for good measure. This salad is perfect as a light lunch or a hearty side dish. Don't be shy with the dressing. A good drizzle of olive oil and lime juice will bring all those amazing flavors together. There you have it, a protein-packed salad that's ready in minutes and will fuel your body the right way. Next up, we're turning up the heat with a vibrant and flavorful chickpea and spinach curry. This dish is bursting with spices and packed with plant-based protein, thanks to our star ingredient chickpeas. These little legumes are nutritional powerhouses, full of protein, fiber, and iron. We're building a curry sauce that will knock your socks off. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. These spices not only add incredible depth and warmth, but also offer a ton of health benefits. We're adding handfuls of fresh spinach to this curry for a boost of vitamins and minerals. Serve this curry with a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra creaminess, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. And don't forget the naan bread to mop up every last drop of that delicious sauce. This curry is a perfect blend of flavor and nutrition. Chapter 3. Tofu Scramble. It's not eggs, you donkey. For all you breakfast lovers out there, we're whipping up a tofu scramble that will put your usual scrambled eggs to shame. Tofu is a fantastic source of plant-based protein, and it's a blank canvas for flavor. We're crumbling it up and sautéing it with a medley of colorful vegetables. Think bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, whatever you fancy. We're talking nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor, turmeric for a vibrant yellow hue, and smoked paprika for a touch of smokiness. Serve this scramble with a side of toasted whole grain bread and some smashed avocado for a breakfast that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Chapter 4. Lentil Soup. Hearty, comforting, and packed with protein. Let's be honest, sometimes you just need a big bowl of comforting soup to warm you from the inside out. This soup is not only incredibly delicious but also packed with protein and fiber thanks to our star ingredient lentils. Lentils are a pantry staple in my kitchen. We're starting by sautéing some aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery to build a flavorful base for our soup. Then, we're adding in our lentils, vegetable broth, and a bay leaf for an extra layer of flavor. To finish, we're adding a generous squeeze of lemon juice for brightness and a handful of fresh herbs like parsley or dill for a burst of freshness. Serve this soup with a crusty bread for dipping, and you've got yourself a complete meal that's both comforting and nutritious. This soup is a hug in a bowl. Chapter 5. Greek Yogurt. Parfait, a protein-packed treat. And for our final dish, we're indulging in a Greek yogurt parfait that's as delicious as it is healthy. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, and it provides a creamy, tangy base for our parfait. We're layering it with fresh berries, which are bursting with antioxidants and vitamins, and crunchy nuts for a dose of healthy fats and protein. Toasted oats add a lovely nutty crunch. Chia seeds provide a boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, and a drizzle of honey adds a touch of natural sweetness. You can assemble this parfait in advance for a quick and easy breakfast or snack on the go. It's also a great option for a post-workout meal, providing your body with the protein it needs to recover and rebuild. There you have it, 5 cracking high-protein vegetarian dishes that are anything but boring. We've got salads bursting with flavor, curries that will warm you from the inside out, and even a breakfast scramble that will make you rethink tofu. So, ditch the meat and give these recipes a try. I guarantee you'll be surprised at how delicious and satisfying vegetarian cooking can be. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be bland and boring. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy to follow recipes. Until next time, get cooking.